HMI is a heavy metal manufacturing company. We do fabrication assemblies, anything from the defense industry all the way through commercial, agricultural, so a number of industries that we cover.
Due to the wide variety and the nature of our product, each day is different. The same machinist will not machine the same part Monday through Friday. They will see a varying size range and a varying scope of product, from nuclear to gas and fuel handling to agriculture, jet engine testing.
Well, one of the areas that we've really seen growth in and will continue to see growth in is our large machining department. And we do have machines that set us apart from our competitors. One of our big features at HMI is we can take product, what we call all the way through the processes, and keep those on one campus, under our roof, which greatly enhances our ability to control quality and on-time delivery.
The tool that I've been working with myself a lot now is something that is probably a handful of companies in the United States that have those capabilities.
We fabricated up to 10-inch plate before, and that requires a level of sophistication and holding tolerances that not many fabricators can do.
Some of the products that we run through will go from very, very small, the size of a small notebook, up to the size of the room here. Basically, there are very, very few limits. As far as weight-wise, we have one unit out there right now for a nuclear part that weighs close to 27,000 pounds that needs to go on the machining center. So the machining capabilities here are enormous.
And we always look at how we're going to hold the part once it is welded so that we can machine it properly and measure it accurately.
Large machining is not real prevalent. It's a service that not everybody can provide. And we've invested heavily in some very, very state-of-the-art and very accurate machines to be able to address that.